In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Cloudflare Account ID. Whether you're managing your website's security, optimizing its performance, or troubleshooting issues, having access to your account ID is a crucial part of working with Cloudflare. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, making it simple and easy to follow. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to find your account ID and how to copy it for use. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or whichever browser you're most comfortable using. Make sure you're connected to the internet and ready to go. Once your browser is open, the next step is to navigate to the Cloudflare website. You can do this by typing cloudflare.com directly into the address bar, or by simply searching for Cloudflare in your favorite search engine and clicking on their homepage link. Once you've arrived at the Cloudflare homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your account credentials. If you're using an email and password to sign in, go ahead and input your details into the appropriate fields. Alternatively, if you've linked your Google account to your Cloudflare account, you can simply click on Continue with Google. If you chose the Google login option, you might be prompted to select the correct Google account associated with your Cloudflare account. Make sure to choose the correct one, and Cloudflare will log you in automatically. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Cloudflare dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your domains and account settings. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Domains section. This section lists all the domains you've added to your Cloudflare account. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It's typically easy to spot within the dashboard interface. Once you locate it, click on the specific domain you want to manage. This will take you to the Domain Management page, where you'll find detailed settings and information for that particular domain. When you're on the Domain Management page, scroll down slightly. You don't have to scroll too far, but just enough to reach the right-hand side of the page where your account details are typically displayed. Here, you should see your account ID. It's usually labeled clearly, so you won't have to guess which number or code you're looking at. Once you've found your account ID, you can easily copy it for your use. Simply click on the account ID, and this will automatically copy it to your clipboard. This is a handy feature that ensures you don't have to manually highlight and copy the text. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied your Cloudflare account ID. This ID is an essential piece of information that you may need for integrations, support, or managing your account more effectively. Remember to keep it safe and secure, as it's unique to your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.